This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, fellow survivors. In this video, I will explain how to play music on your Rust Boombox, step by step. First things first, you'll need to place your boombox in your desired location. Then, grab your trusty wire tool and connect a power source, like a generator, to the boombox's power in port. Remember, your boombox needs 10 units of power to get the party started, so make sure your generator is up to the task. Now that your boombox is powered, it's time to choose your tunes. You have a couple of great options. You can insert a cassette tape with pre-recorded audio, perfect for those custom messages or short tracks. Alternatively, you can open the boombox settings to browse and select from several pre-selected internet radio stations. Keep in mind that custom internet radio streams are typically added by server administrators, offering even more variety. Ready to fill your base with sound? Simply look at your boombox and open its settings. From there, you can easily select your preferred radio station or start playing an inserted cassette. To expand your audio coverage, utilize the audio out port on your boombox. Connect it to additional connected speakers using your wire tool. You can even chain up to 15 speakers together, creating a truly immersive sound experience throughout your entire base. To fine-tune your listening experience, head into your game's audio options and locate the voice props volume slider. This controls the overall loudness of your boombox and other sound-emitting items. Remember, each connected speaker needs 1 unit of power to function, helping amplify your music. For an even more dynamic setup, try adding disco lights or a dance floor. These can often sync up with your boombox's audio, turning your base into a lively party zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.